Hello everybody, welcome back to our videos that are very informative and will help you learn English. We're so very happy to be here today, and today we're going to be talking about a few words that might be difficult to pronounce. We love learning together and we're so excited to go to berjudul someday. Okay, let's begin. May, came, rain, afraid, ate, wait. I, height, why, child, wife, find, height. Boy, joy, noise, voice, point. No, home, most, what? No home, most cold, low road ago. Okay, most cold, low road ago. Now, how, loud, about, round, down. Here, year, fear, bear, beer, deer, and beer. Pour, sure, more. Door, drawer, bore, before. Where, there, care, where, air, fair. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. We hope that it's very beneficial for you, and we are excited to see you again back on Mas Arif's channel. Thanks for watching.
Keep up the good work.